I've been a Cuddlist for a few years when I started also doing uh, triadic model work. And I gotta say, it was more challenging in a beautiful way, but it was also difficult at times. But it really allowed the client and the therapist to learn more about the client experience. For example, the client knew that they had a difficulty. They worked on it in their sessions with their therapist. And I'm being vague on purpose in order to keep their privacy. However, when we got into the cuddle session and we tried to practice working on that challenge, on that difficulty, the client understood. All of a sudden, they could see just how much that difficulty was. They've been talking about it for years and kind of figuring it out in talk therapy, which is great. But once they saw that difficulty being challenged in a somatic way, in person with another safe person to be with, all of a sudden they understand just how much work they have to do about it. And also, it gave them more of a clearer path and focus, where to focus in order to work on it better. It is extremely interesting, but also a level up from the regular Cuddlist work. It allowed me to play within the container that Cuddlist has created, but be more creative for the needs of the client. It was fascinating to see all the tools that I've been using for years being stretched to their max because of the needs of the client. It is a different type of client to work with in the triadic model. It was amazing. It was great to see just what I can offer that client and how it worked for them and how it helped them in their talk therapy with their therapist.